Imagine looking into a mirror. What you see is a reflection, an image that appears reversed but stays the same distance from the mirror. In geometry, we can reflect points across a line, creating mirror images just like in real life. Let's start by placing a point on a coordinate plane. Suppose we have a point at 3, 2. We want to reflect it across a line, like the x-axis or y-axis. First, let's reflect our point across the y-axis. The y-axis acts like a vertical mirror. The reflected point will stay at the same height, but its position will be flipped from left to right. That means our point at 3, 2 will move to -3, 2. Notice how both points are the same distance from the y-axis. Now, let's reflect our point across the x-axis. This time, the x-coordinate stays the same, but the y-coordinate changes sign. Our point at 3, 2 moves to 3, -2. Again, the original and reflected points are the same distance from the x-axis, just in opposite directions. Reflections in geometry follow a simple rule. When reflecting across the y-axis, the x-coordinate changes sign, but the y-coordinate stays the same. When reflecting across the x-axis, the y-coordinate changes sign, but the x-coordinate stays the same. Understanding reflections helps us predict how points and shapes move in space. Try practicing with different points and see how they reflect across different lines.